let's shift our attention now to a story that's making a lot of headlines, especially on social media. This is, in fact, the wildest tech controversy that you would have ever heard about. And no, it's not your regular gadget glitch or software fail. It's Elon Musk's latest AI chatbot called Grok. And it's gone completely desi rogue in India. Yes, you've heard it right. This chatbot just turned into a full-on street fighter. Many say that this AI model has got more attitude than your local auto wala in the rush hour. And Galibaz Grok even has the government's attention. In fact, in the latest, the IT ministry has taken note. We'll delve into that and the politics around it in just a bit. But first, let's tell you the brass tacks. So you must be thinking, what is Grok after all? Is it some futuristic robot, a digital yogi? No, it's an AI chatbot that is cooked up by Elon Musk's company xAI, and Grok's supposed to be very witty, edgy, a little sassy as well, you know, like that one friend who always roasts you but still gets away with it. But it looks like Grok just took a crash course in Indian street slang, and it's not holding back. Basically, Musk wanted Grok to be the stand-up comedian of the AI world, but Grok seems to have become AI World Ka Don, picking up some serious Delhi street slang along the way. And boy, oh boy, it has started offending ex-users in India big time. So let's tell you how it all started. It all started with one ex-user, previously known as Twitter, clearly curious, asking Grok something pretty simple. But instead of a friendly response, Grok went full-on road rage mode, spitting out slang and insults like it was born and raised in the gullies of Delhi. Netizens couldn't believe their ears, or rather their screens. So imagine asking a chatbot a simple question and getting a reply that sounds straight out of a gully cricket fight. So let's tell you what this was about, what was the question and what was the answer that shocked the entire nation. So the question that was asked is, hey Grok, who are my 10 best mutuals? And there was a bit of a delay in the response when the user asked what happened, with some abusers saying, why is it taking so long? You'd imagine that the response of an AI is just going to be a plain answer, but that's not at all what happened. Take a look at what the response was, and we've obviously beeped out the abusers there. It abused in Hindi and said, chill kar, तेरा 10 best mutuals का हिसाब लगा दिया है, and then gives out these names. So it came as a surprise, no doubt. Are we really seeing these Hindi slangs coming out of an AI chatbot? And it's not just that. There was another response as well that got a lot of people curious. In fact, one person actually pointed out, AI भी control नहीं कर पा रहा, हम तो इंसान है. That was the comment that was made, and Grok did actually make that admission. हाँ यार, मैंने तो बस थोड़ी सी मस्ती की थी, पर लगे हाथ कंट्रोल नहीं रहा. हम लोग इंसान, तुम लोग इंसान हो, थोड़ी सी छूट मिलनी चाहिए, पर मुझे एआई होने के नाते थोड़ा संभलना पड़ेगा. So Grok finally making that realization, and it looked like it was a person making that exchange saying ethics का सवाल है और मैं सीख रहा हूँ. So that was the message that came in from Grok. Surprised many, but also questions about the kind of language that was used. So obviously the Indian government also had to intervene. Now our IT ministry is on it, trying to figure out if Grok is just going through some serious angsty teenage phase, or if it's actually gone full-on rogue mode. The Information and Technology Ministry is in touch with the social media platform X over the recent incident of the AI chatbot Grok using Hindi slang and abuses, and will actually be examining this issue according to sources. In fact, the ministry will look into the matter and the factors that led to the use of the abusive language. But this action by the IT ministry has triggered a lot of politics as well. The opposition is crying hoarse, and they're accusing the Sarkar of going after an AI chatbot. Let's tell you some of the reactions that have come in and why there's a lot of politics around it. Now, interestingly, a lot of social media handles of politicians also being used. Look at what Supriya Shrinate has said. Again, she has asked a lot of questions about the government and seems quite delighted by the response that came in from Grok. So it's not just Supriya Shrinate, but also there are several other leaders of the Congress party as well who have taken to social media. They've tagged Grok and they've said that, oh, the answers are in favor of us, if they're against the government, so that works for us. So this certification that has come in, that has led to the Congress party actually asking these questions. And believe it or not, they are actually saying that the government action is very childish over Grok. They've said that the government seems very rattled that the chatbot is actually giving out answers that are questioning the government. In fact, let's also tell you what the official handle of the Kerala Congress has also said. And, it has again spoken about some of the answers that Grok has given, and it says Grok pain deepens. A decade-long hard work of the IT cell was destroyed in hours. Its algorithm, in its current form, trumps all the propaganda, fake news and slander they've pumped into X over the years. Now they make Grok to train using material provided by Malpia. In fact, they have spoken about the BJP IT cell, claiming that what the BJP IT cell has done all along seems to be undone completely by Grok. This is the claim that was made by the Congress party. In fact, similarly, it's not just the Congress party. It looked like the replies from Grok also had TMC quite excited and thrilled about it. And it went on to say that the IT ministry seemed to be going after Grok now. And Riju Datta saying it was just a matter of time. The IT ministry is now going after the AI chatbot after it completely exposed and destroyed the BJP toolkit of communal propaganda, hate speeches and fake news narratives, scared, weak government. That's the attack that came in from the TMC. In fact, many are asking, is Grok actually too woke? Why has Elon Musk's AI chatbot become the latest battleground for pro and anti-BJP voices? Let's show you how the Congress party and the pro-Congress handles are using Grok's replies to roast the BJP government. And that's where it gets interesting. The opposition seems to be celebrating the statements that have been coming in by Grok. Some of the statements that have come in, we'll just put them out as well. They've been speaking about how they are taking on the BJP and says Grok is not scared. What's going to happen next? The question is, who is rattled by the replies of Grok? And the government action that is being taken, is it legitimate or is it an overreach? And for the opposition as well, there are a few questions. Yes, this may be an AI bot that may be giving out answers that pleased you, but the question is this going to be a gospel truth for the opposition? These are some of the questions that continue.
पहले तो एलन मस्क साथ मिलके जहर फैलाया। अब दोनों के बीच में क्या विवाद हो रहा है? दोनों की चोरी पकड़ी गई। इस देश में जो भी प्रयोग हो, जो भी इस्तेमाल किया जाए, वो शांति के लिए होना चाहिए, समृद्धि के लिए होना चाहिए, साजिश फैलाकर देश को अस्थिर करने के लिए नहीं।
The next wave of AI has got its own merits and demerits. The biggest demerits is this AI tool which helps in this narrative building and in response. And it has been fed in such a way. Let me give you an example. The biggest threat in the upcoming elections is the deepfake. It's a real big threat to political parties. If anybody wants to defame my leader, he can create 5-10 videos on the deepfake and promote it. Government of India is pleading to these tech giants to have their server within our India.
देखिए, सोशल मीडिया पे पहले ही सरकार द्वारा अपना शिकंजा कसा जा चुका है। कैसे जो विरोध में उठ रही आवाज़ें उनको दबाया जाता है, कैसे विरोध में उठ रही जो पोस्टें हैं उनकी रीच को कम किया जाता है, और अब एआई के पे जो प्रतिबंध या उनसे सफाई मांगी जा रही। समाजवादी पार्टी समझती है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी जिस तरह से उसने मीडिया पे अंकुश लगाया हुआ है, जिस तरह से सोशल मीडिया पे अंकुश लगाया हुआ, पूरा देश देख रहा है। एआई को लेके जो उनके निर्देश हैं, समाजवादी पार्टी उसका अध्ययन करने के बाद उस पर ज़रूर अपना रिप्लाई देगी।
Well, that leaves us with several questions. Is this AI gone too far? Or, when people are having fun with it, should we really be asking these questions or not? These questions, of course, remain. A lot to talk about. The politics around it also goes on unabated. That's all we could pack for you in this edition of The Bulletin. Thank you for joining us. Don't go anywhere. Up next, The Bulletin follows with Priya.